A birthday surprise was about to go horribly wrong. Guys, this machine will make Grandpa's party the best ever. Oliver, are you sure this thing is even safe? Totally safe, Emma. Just needs a little test run.
What does this shiny button do?
One tiny press was all it took to unleash chaos. Oliver, what is happening right now?
The machine was turning the whole street into a party disaster.
We need to shut this thing down immediately. The countdown to Grandpa's arrival had already begun. We have exactly 1 hour to fix this mess.
Right.
Let's do it! Yeah, we can do it.
Somebody stop this giant cupcake right now! The whole neighborhood was witnessing Oliver's invention gone wrong.
There has to be an off switch somewhere. I think I just made it worse. The machine had no intention of slowing down. This is actually kind of fun. Wait, I think I found something. Together. On the count of 3. 1, 2. Now.
That was definitely not the off switch. Grandpa's car was turning onto the street right now.
I've got it! I've got it!
Grandpa, wait! Don't come this way yet, no!
Grandpa had no idea what was waiting for him.
Felix's heroic catch did not go exactly as planned.
The manual was hiding in my bag the whole time. Here it is, the emergency shutdown code. Every second mattered as Oliver rushed back to the yard. It's sensing us!
It's gonna overload! We have to shut it down now. I'm doing it! Wait!
One wrong number, and the whole yard could explode with confetti. Come on, work already! Oh no! We're doomed! Yes! We did it! All right!
For one heartbeat, the entire yard went completely silent.
Did we actually do it?
For one heartbeat, the entire yard went completely silent.
Why are there so many ducks?
Wait, there's a second button back here.
This tiny button might be their very last chance.
Please let this be the right one. The wild machine was finally beginning to calm down. I think we actually fixed it. We did. Yeah, we totally did. What used to be a yard now looked like a disaster zone. You did this. Fix it. I'm trying. Watch out! Grandpa's car is literally right outside. We have to finish. Grab the bags. Hurry, he's here.
Sorry, ducks, you have to go.
You too. Balloons first, confetti second. Even cleaning up the mess came with its own chaos. That was the funniest thing I've ever seen. I know, right?
Somehow, teamwork was turning disaster into progress.
That was the funniest thing I've ever seen.
A simple decoration suddenly felt more special than any machine. I think Grandpa is gonna love this. He definitely will. Yeah!
The moment of truth had finally arrived.
What have you three been up to?
Just wait until you see this, Grandpa. Oh! It's really special. You'll love it, promise. The chaos of the day had turned into something beautiful.
This is absolutely wonderful. Thank you, kids.
I saved you one special duck, Grandpa.
Grandpa found the whole strange gift absolutely hilarious.
We actually pulled this off together. The real magic was never the machine at all. Happy birthday to me, thanks to you three. Oliver realized some things mattered more than gadgets. Your heart built something better than any machine.
I wish it were enough. It always will be, Oliver.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Friendship had turned a wild disaster into a perfect memory.
One more slice never hurt anybody.
The night had turned into exactly the celebration Oliver hoped for.
This might be my favorite birthday yet. Yeah, it's great. I agree. Maybe next time, he would build something a little smaller. Or maybe we'll just need this booklet again soon. Their friendship was the real invention worth celebrating. To be continued. But little did they know, their next adventure was already waiting.
The machine wasn't quite finished just yet.
Did anyone else see that? What happens next, you won't want to miss. Follow along to see what happens next.